Stop scrolling. If your PS5 is not reading game discs, this video can save you time, money, and frustration. In the next few minutes, I will show you real solutions that actually work. No myths, no fake tricks, only technician-approved fixes. First, check the disc orientation. Many users make this simple mistake. If your PS5 is standing vertically, the label side of the disc must face left. If your PS5 is placed horizontally, the label side must face up. Insert the disc slowly and listen for the spinning sound. Second, inspect the game disc carefully. Fingerprints, dust, or tiny scratches can stop the PS5 from reading discs. Clean the disc using a soft microfiber cloth. Always wipe from the center to the edge in a straight line. Never use water, alcohol, or tissue paper. Third, restart the console properly. Do not use rest mode. Press and hold the power button until the PS5 fully shuts down. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and start the console again. Fourth, update the system software. Outdated firmware can cause disk drive issues. Go to Settings, then System Software, then Update, and Settings, then select Update using Internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Fifth, rebuild the database. This is a safe and proven fix used by technicians. Turn off the PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect the controller using a USB cable. Select Rebuild Database. This will not delete your games or save data. Sixth, test with different discs. Try a PS5 game disc, a PS4 game disc, and a Blu-ray movie disc. If none work, hardware is likely the issue. Seventh, check for overheating. Overheating can disable the disk drive temporarily. Make sure the PS5 is placed in an open, well-ventilated area. Clean dust from vents. Final and honest advice. If the PS5 still does not read discs, the disk drive laser may be faulty. This requires professional repair or official service replacement. Do not open the console if it is under warranty. If this video helped you, this is Tech Vibes. Stay smart, stay updated,